What's up, everybody? We're back with the Ram TRX and we're seriously ready for some supercharged V8 muscle. And the reason why is this truck has free flow bypass pipes, and it has our dual 3-inch universal truck and SUV valve muffler kit. This truck could be the loudest vehicle we've ever put down this airstrip. It is absolutely insane, not only how loud it is, but how well the Valvetronic universal mufflers work on this platform. We're talking almost 30 decibels of sound difference. This is my everyday truck, and for those of you who are familiar with Hellcats and have the 6.2 liter supercharged V8, when you do free flow bypass pipes or headers, the vehicles are absolutely ridiculous to drive every day. But with the universal valve mufflers that we have on this truck, the truck goes back to sounding like it's bone stock. There are no compromises with the Valvetronic universal kit. This truck as well, basically straight piped, no drone at all in the cabin. Even with the valves open, it's very aggressive, but no drone. We've engineered the universal valve mufflers to work phenomenally well on sport trucks like this, or your F-150, your Ram 1500, whatever the truck might be. The universal muffler is the way to go. Let's get to how crazy this Ram sounds. I'm stoked to show you guys. The Ram TRX right now, we've got the valves closed and I've got the rear window opened. I'm in my kind of sport custom mode, and we're going to do a little bit more valves closed. I'm going to show you guys what the truck sounds like with the valves closed compared to when it's open. All right, I'm going to close the rear window now so you can hear inside. The truck sounds like it's bone stock. You'd never know that this is basically a full free flow setup. When the valves are open, there is nothing in between the block and the exhaust tips. This thing is just ear-shattering with the valves open. Valvetronic universal mufflers, they work so well on this platform to tame the rawness of sound. Riding around normally, there's no drone, there's no unwanted frequencies. The truck just sounds normal, which is great. What I'll do is I'll click the valves open. Now you can hear in here a lot more kind of bass. You hear the rawness out back. It's real aggressive out back, which is real fun. Here, we're going to close the valves. All you get is supercharger whine coming through the front of the truck, which is nice. So you get some enjoyable sound coming from the intake, but not so much exhaust, so that no one hates you. No one's around. Valves open. Open up the rear window. Listen to how crazy this gets. Couple gears here. All right, everybody, that's it for the Ram TRX. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, so you guys can hear me a little more clearly. Close the valves. This is the thing with these trucks, whether it's this or like Raptor R or something that's got big V8 and you want to have the sound, but you don't want to have the compromise, this exhaust solution is the way to go. This is not a very expensive setup. There's a lot of Corsa, MBRP, a lot of exhausts out there. They're $1,500, $2,000. But this, for this truck, the free flow bypass pipes are about $500. Universal valve mufflers are $600. And putting it all together, it cost me another $550, $600. So call it $1,500 for the best sounding, flexible, no drone valved exhaust experience. How could you go wrong? This is the ultimate solution for your truck, whether it's a Ram TRX or another truck like it. Don't compromise. The Valvetronic mufflers are the way to make your truck sound like you've always wanted.